Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are gonna make instant Surti Locho that's soft, fluffy and ready in no time. We'll also be making a special homemade Locho Masala that takes flavor to the next level. So without wasting any time, let's get started.
To begin, take 1 cup of chana dal and quarter cup of urad dal in a bowl. Transfer the lentils onto a clean kitchen towel or cloth and gently rub them together to remove any excess residue or dust. Once cleaned, transfer the lentils back to the bowl. Now grind them into a coarse powder. Make sure not to grind them too finely as the coarse texture is what gives Surti Locho its signature consistency. Now let's take a look at the texture. This is the consistency we are aiming for. Slightly coarse with a gently grainy feel. It shouldn't be too fine or have large chunks. Transfer the ground lentil mixture to a mixing bowl. And in the same grinder jar, add half cup of medium poha, also known as flattened rice, and grind it into a fine powder. Once it's finely ground, add the poha powder to the chana dal mixture and mix everything together. Now it's time to prepare the batter. Transfer the ground mixture to a mixing bowl. Add salt to taste and a pinch of asafoetida, hing, then give it a quick mix. Next, add finely chopped green chillies, grated ginger, and half a cup of yogurt. For the best flavor, use slightly sour yogurt. If your yogurt isn't sour, you can add a little more than half a cup to achieve that authentic tang. I almost forgot one important ingredient. Add quarter teaspoon of turmeric powder and mix everything well until fully combined. Now gradually add water while mixing continuously, making sure there are no lumps. Add just enough water to bring the mixture together into a thicker batter. Now whisk the batter for at least 5 minutes. This helps incorporate air into the batter, making it light and slightly fluffy. Traditionally, the batter is left to ferment for a few hours or even overnight. But since we are making an instant Surti Locho, we'll simply let it rest for 45 to 60 minutes. It's been about 5 minutes of whisking and the batter is looking nice and airy. Cover the bowl and place it in a warm spot to rest for 45 to 60 minutes. While the batter is resting, let's make a simple yet flavorful Locho Masala to serve with it. In a small bowl, add 1 teaspoon cumin powder, 1 teaspoon Kashmiri red chili powder, 1 teaspoon chaat masala, 1 teaspoon spicy red chili powder, a pinch of asafoetida, and quarter teaspoon black salt and half teaspoon black pepper powder. Mix everything together until well combined and our homemade Locho Masala is ready. This spice blend adds the perfect burst of flavor and takes the Locho to the next level. Moving on, let's prepare the garnishing ingredients. Finely chop some onions, tomatoes and fresh coriander and set them aside for later. Now let's come back to our batter. After resting, you can see that the mixture has become quite thick. Gradually add water and adjust the consistency. The batter should be slightly runny and smooth, just like this. Once we reach the right consistency, it's time to steam our delicious Surti Locho. The steamer is ready and I have already greased the plate with some oil. Now take a portion of the batter in a separate bowl. Add a little oil, ENO, and a splash of water to activate it. Mix it gently until everything is well combined. Pour the batter into the greased plate immediately. Sprinkle some red chili powder on top. Cover it and let it steam for about 10 minutes until perfectly cooked. Let's check our locho now, and look at that. It has turned out perfectly soft and fluffy. Carefully remove it from the steamer, and it's time for the best part, serving. Generously sprinkle the homemade Locho Masala, then add freshly chopped onions, tomatoes, coriander, and fine save on top. For the final touch, drizzle some oil over it. If you love the richness of butter, you can use that instead as well. Our hot, fresh and delicious Surti Locho is ready to be served. Enjoy this famous Surat street food right at home. I hope you enjoyed this Surti Locho recipe. If you tried, do let me know in the comments how it turned out. Please share this recipe with your loved ones, and don't forget to like, subscribe and support the channel. I'll see you soon with another delicious recipe. Until then, take care and bye.